Sciences Po's housing offers website. What are the advantages for students? A bilingual website for students registered on any of Sciences Po's campuses. A network of private landlords who rent out their accommodation exclusively to Sciences Po's students. Students have access to different housing offers, ranging from independent rooms and studio flats to homestay and flat sharing offers. Every year, we also receive housing offers where students are accommodated free of charge and in return work for a few hours per week. How to access the housing offers website? You must have completed your online administrative registration to access the housing offers website. Log in with your username and password. Your username is your Sciences Po email address. Please ensure that you follow our advice should you decide to transfer money before your arrival. How to search for accommodation. Enter your search criteria and start looking for your accommodation. You can also add more search criteria if necessary by clicking on More Criteria. You can add a housing offer that interests you to your basket and come back to your saved housing offers later. When you have identified a housing offer that interests you, click on Offer Description for a full description of the housing offer. You will be able to see the full address of the accommodation, availability date, details about the accommodation, and photos. How to contact a landlord. You can contact a landlord by telephone or by sending a message. You can follow the messages you have sent and received online by clicking on My Messages. You will be informed of any new messages automatically by email sent to your Sciences Po email account. Any questions?